go? There you are. I thought you'd left. Glad you haven't. Guazelli is still there with 1,000 euros. 2k for Casperle. Keep it up, my friends. 36. Nice action on the second column again. 36 still has a lot of chips on it. About a bucket for a wagon. 7, 25, 28 are available. Here comes 26 black once again. Ladies and gents, 26. My compliments to 376 players who want some money right now. Good job. So, we still, wait a second, 9. We literally have 992 people here. 8 more players will make it 1,000. Come on. Where do we get 8 people? You invite your friends to play. That's a good. Now, well, we'll get it with, obviously. West Europe is still waking up, I suppose. Number 2 with 300x, I suppose, all eyes on it. We will land on a 12 this time. 12 red. Congratulations to those who got it right. 316. Oh, hi, Serbi. Last night was great. Yeah, well, for me it was morning. For you it was probably evening. It was good. We had a good time. I hope you are in a good mood still. Ready to smash some lightnings, catch some more money. Bets are close. Lightnings, 0, 1, and 24. All of them have 100. Now 20. Really? 20 black. Ladies and gentlemen, Orphalines is here again with no bits left. So close to that one. You can't get excited today because yesterday was too much fun. Oh, well then again, if you feel like it's not going too well today, perhaps take a more cautious approach. Maybe, I don't know, play smaller bets, play a bit more careful because you can't have every day 100% that happens, right? So it's just a way of life, I suppose. 28, 34, 35. Where are we going? 25 red. Okay. 25 red. Congratulations to Bia. We got 308 participants winning right now. All right, everybody. Surely it may last a little bit longer. Maybe. See, I don't know. I'm not a player myself. You probably know better how these things work. Well, 2 is moving. Somebody expects number 2 to climb back up. So 250 players got mine. 9, 15, and 32. Here comes the 0 green once again. Officially joining the hot crew. 0 green, 302 players have won. All the top 5 guys that I can see, they played striker. That was a great choice. So it's MLU, Asibel, Miko, Shawatan, and AMKK. So another 0. No more bets, guys. Let's go get some lightnings now. We only had one so far. We really need to step up. We need some more of these. 25 and 36. Coming in, 18 red. Getting hotter and hotter with every time we get it. Guys, 18. Oh, it is the hottest. My applause to all the winners out there. 400 euros for Sen. You just made the most money then. Well done. You think 2 will get a multiplier? Maybe. Maybe, maybe. Two is really, it's been holding on so well today. I'm surprised. You don't usually see that across so many hours. Just consistently landing 2 and 13 today. They were so good. 14, 16, 21, and there's 150x on 20. Winning number 28 black. Everybody 28. So to teach your cat to use a keyboard. Actually, wait, don't you have an autoplay option? I was under the impression that it is available. When you place bets on the lower right side, is there no auto option? No? I think there was. Let's have a look. Okay, we have a set of 4 lightning, 5, 18, 21, 29. Yeah, there should be autoplay. I think there should be. Here comes 15 black. Ladies and gentlemen, zero spiel section, 15 black. Congratulations, 340 players and money on 15. Good job. Good job, everybody. Huh? No, that's 15. And of course, all new players, welcome aboard. Good afternoon. Happy to see you here at Lightning Roulette. Let's see what falls from the sky this time. We'll get a 7, a 24, and a 31 to play with. Winning number 34, red. That's behind even number 34. Mayram, great job you just got over €1,000 in this game. Congratulations. You can't see how it works. Ay, ay, ay. No, it should be. Guys, who knows exactly how to turn on autoplay? Could you please write it in the chat? Because we need some assistance from your side. Because I can't see, I don't remember where the button is. 8, 11, 28. Oh, 8 looks great. And 11 as well. Well, it's time to double the 34s. Oh, wait a second, guys. Didn't we already have 2 34s in a row? Like 15 minutes ago. And now it happens again? Back to back? 34 must be warming up. Must be warming up real good. Yeah, we had it. That's pretty interesting. I don't usually, I get different numbers coming in twice, but the same number? 2 doubles like that? That's new, that's new. 9, 10, and 28 is here. Landing on 23, red. That's tier section 23. Thanks, everybody. Victory for 362 participants. Mayram powering through. Wait, that's like a 1-to-1, so you're betting like on reds or on highs? Whoa! €1,000 just like that? Really, good job. 32 has a lot of chips, 26 as well. Higher side of the second column is secured, as well as that 5. 5 has a lot of money. 19, 26, and 29